SIRM-Dallas is part of one of the largest infertility care networks in the country. The SIRM philosophy of compassionate, personalized reproductive care is a perfect fit in a city known for its warmth and hospitality. The Sher Institutes for Reproductive Medicine were founded by Dr. Jeffrey Sher, a pioneer in the field of infertility and the man who founded the nation's first private in vitro fertilization clinic more than 25 years ago. SIRM started as a single office in Las Vegas, Nevada, and has since grown to include 8 full-service centers and multiple satellite offices across the United States, serving patients from around the world. With an emphasis on compassionate, individualized care backed by state-of-the-art technology, SIRM-Dallas shares the same philosophy and breakthrough medical protocols as other SIRM centers around the country. Located on the Medical City Hospital campus, SIRM-Dallas is conveniently accessible from all over the Dallas-Fort Worth area and is just a short drive from the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. Leading SIRM-Dallas as a medical director is Dr. Walid Saleh. Dr. Saleh personifies the SIRM philosophy of compassionate, personalized care. He has never lost sight of the real goal of reproductive medicine, to create families. Dr. Saleh takes a personal interest in each patient's individual situation and custom tailors his approach to give each patient the optimum chances of having a baby. Because much of your time at SIRM-Dallas will be spent with our administrative and nursing staff, we have carefully chosen each member based not only on their abilities, but on their kindness and compassion as well. You'll find the entire staff anxious to make your time with SIRM-Dallas as smooth and comfortable as possible.
Hi, I'm Karen Rodriguez. I'm the office manager here at SIRM-Dallas, and I want to let you know that we have a staff that's here to greet you and take care of all of your needs. We hold your hand from beginning to end through our process. We have a wonderful staff up front that will take care of your insurance needs, your questions when you first call in, and our nursing staff who are your nurse coordinators that will hold your hand through the whole process from beginning to end.
SIRM-Dallas is a state-of-the-art medical facility that houses a full embryology lab with a state-of-the-art air filtration system on premises. We can perform most necessary procedures on site, including reproductive surgery as well as a variety of testing. This includes SIRM's latest breakthrough test for determining which embryos are most likely to produce a healthy baby. This method, known as comparative genomic hybridization, or CGH, allows doctors to determine which eggs and embryos have the correct number of chromosomes. These so-called competent embryos have a high likelihood of implanting and initiating a healthy pregnancy. Because chromosomally abnormal embryos account for a large percentage of miscarriages and failed pregnancies, the ability to select chromosomally normal embryos for in vitro fertilization could literally double pregnancy rates for IVF patients, while reducing the incidence of chromosome-related birth defects such as Down syndrome. What's more, this can be achieved while virtually eliminating high-order multiple pregnancies, that is, triplets or greater. SIRM-Dallas is now offering CGH embryo selection to our IVF patients. Another exciting opportunity now being made available through SIRM-Dallas is egg freezing and banking. Until recently, women who wanted to freeze and bank their eggs for reasons of cancer treatment or lifestyle choices faced an almost impossible obstacle. Successful egg freezing has long been hindered by 2 factors. First, at least 60% of eggs have chromosomal abnormalities which prevent them from fertilizing and developing normally. Second, traditional slow freezing techniques cause ice crystals to form inside the egg, damaging the cell structure. Physicians and researchers at the Sher Institutes recently completed a breakthrough study that utilized the CGH testing method mentioned earlier to test eggs for chromosomal integrity. Competent eggs were then frozen using a new ultra-rapid freezing technique known as vitrification, which prevents ice crystals from forming in the egg. This combination has yielded pregnancy and birth rates 6 to 7 times higher than previous egg freezing methods. SIRM-Dallas is now offering egg freezing and banking for women interested in preserving their fertility. At SIRM-Dallas, our success really depends on yours. Our #1 goal is to help you have a baby. That's why, in addition to our state-of-the-art medical protocols, we provide access to many other tools to facilitate your efforts. These include financial package plans such as the OBP or outcome-based plan, wherein qualifying patients receive up to 3 full cycles of IVF for a single fee, with up to 100% of office fees refunded if you don't have a baby. We also offer special financial plans for teachers, active military personnel, and low-income couples. Another vital and valuable tool is the SIRM website at haveababy.com. The site features hundreds of pages of articles on all aspects of infertility, as well as dynamic discussion boards where visitors can post questions for SIRM doctors on any infertility-related topic and communicate with other couples. Dr. Saleh maintains a strong presence on the discussion boards and will usually answer any questions posted to him within a few hours.
We understand how stressful your infertility workup can be. We routinely offer in-person and telephone consults at no charge to you. During that first visit, I will review your history in detail and give you my best opinion. We look forward to seeing you at the Sher Institute for Reproductive Medicine in Dallas and help you through the journey from infertility to family.
And it was just such an incredible experience because we asked him every single question we'd always want to ask other doctors we had seen before and that they'd never had time to spend with us to explain things. And Dr. Saleh took time. It was like he had all day to talk with just us, and we felt in that moment like it was just he and I in that room and my husband, and we were just like floored that there's doctors out there that do that. And you know, most time, you know, your husband's like, well, what are these people doing? And he was on board because he just, I think, the same thing. He felt the comfort level that, you know, you just don't get a comfort level like that with a doctor. It's usually, what was your name again? And, you know, because they have so many people they're trying to get in and out there. And this was just so different. And this was before we even went to our first appointment. I remember coming into the office and meeting Angie and Karen, and I mean, just the warmth that I had there, you know, that's before I even get to the doctor, and how nice they were. And, you know, again, there's not many places out there that they're so nice.
For additional information or to set up your free medical consultation, please call the SIRM-Dallas office at any of the numbers listed below. We look forward to helping you make a successful journey from infertility to family.
A ray of hope flickers in the sky. A tiny star lights up way up high. All across the land dawns a brand new morn. This comes to pass.